Stri Pratyav. First, we will see tap in the order. In the given sentences, Balaha Balacha Udayantam Bhaskaram Namataha. Bala is highlighted. Acharyaha Acharyacha Vrikshan Aropayataha. Shishyah Shishya Cha Lataha Jalena Sinjataha. Gayakah Gayika Cha Prakritigeetam Gayataha. Aho atra shobhana prakritihi shobhanah cha utsavah. So here Bala, Acharya, Shishya, Gayika and Shobhana are all strilingam forms of the words given already in the sentences itself. Bala is the strilingam form of Balaha. Acharya is the feminine form of Acharyaha. Likewise, all the other examples also. So, what is happening with the pullingam, akaranta pullingam words is we add ta pratyay to it to get its own feminine form. So, tap stri pratyaha asti. Prayoge tu asya a eva shishyate. So, when you add ta pratyay, only the a is added to the basic moola shabd of the word. एषः प्रत्ययः स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दनिर्माणाय अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्गशब्दैः सह प्रयुज्यते यथा बाल प्लस टाप बाल प्लस आ बाला so bal is the moola shabd with which we add tap and we get the word bala the strilingam form of balaha aka bhaganta shabdeshu ka varnat purvam अकारस्थाने इ भवति यथा गायक so the word gayaka is ending in aka if it is ending in aka we have to add e matra extra to the word so it becomes gayika after adding tap tap pratyayanta shabdanam rupani latavat bhavanti so it is declined as lata that is bala bale balaha gayika gayike gayikaha etc all the vibhakti vajanams are applicable after adding tap pratyay. Now let's see how to use tap pratyay in sentences. For example, asyaha dash deepika asti. Here deepika is the reference word. Deepika is the noun of the sentence. So who is Deepika? She is a sister. Anuj plus tap anuja. Asyaha anuja deepika asti. Deepika Kridayam dash asti. Again, we are talking about Deepika. Kridayam, how is she in games? She is clever. She is very skilled. Kushal plus tap Kushala. Prabha Deepikayoho Mata dash asti. What is her profession? The mother's profession is Chikitsak plus tap Chikitsika. Here E extra will come because it is having ak in the ending. So chikitsika, not chikitsaka, chikitsika. Next question. Sa samajasya dash abhi asti. So who is she in the society? Sevak plus tap. Again, it is ending in ak. So sevika. Sevika abhi asti. Next one. Sa tu swabhavena ativa dash asti. So saral plus tap sarala. Sa tu swabhavena ativa sarala asti. Let's see some more sentences where we have to split the underlined words. So first one is already answered, Priya. So the moola shabd is Priya with which tap is added. Priya plus tap, Priya. Same way, Anupama. Anupama plus tap, Anupama. Ujjwala plus tap, Ujjwala. Prasanna plus tap, Prasanna. Shubhad plus tap, Shubhada. Dhanya plus tap, Dhanya. These are the answers. So, both the way it will be asked for exam. For splitting the underlined words or for adding tap pratyay to the moola shabd. You have to use it according to the requirement of the word. That is, vibhakti vajanam also can change according to the sentence given from Shemushi or Manika textbook. The second Stri Pratyay in the order is Neep. Let's see the sentences given there and find out the pattern. Punyajala Ganga Nadi Jeevanadaत्री Prakritihi Rakshaniya Sada Upakarini Vrittihi Bhavati Khalu Sajjananam Laukiki Unnatihi Yashaha Vardhayati Yadrishi Bhavana Siddhihi Bhavati Tadrishi. So all these highlighted words are ending in E matra. Nadi, Datri, Upakarini, Laukiki, Yadrishi, Tadrishi. So those words are added with Ni Pratyay to end in E matra. Uparyuktani padani kasya lingasya rupani santi? Edani padani to strilingasya eva rupani santi. So all these nouns are example of strilingam. Kadham nyayate yat edani padani strilingasya rupani santi yataha etesham padanam ande e pratyayah drishyate. Because we see all these words ending in e, from that we can make out that it is strilingam. Kim e eva stri pratyayah? Nahi. Neep Stri Pratyaya. Stri Pratyaya is not just E Matra. The Pratyaya name is Neep. And when we add Neep, it becomes only E in the ending. Let's see how these words are used in sentences. Srimati, Srimat plus Neep. Hema Natyotsave Deepam Prajwalayati. So Srimati is used as a adjective here for Hema. And it should be splitted as Srimat plus Neep. So Kumar plus Neep is again used as adjective of Vandana. So Kumari, Kumari Vandana. Ek किश एका किशोर प्लस नीप डैश भरतनाट्यम प्रस्तौति एका किशोरी एका वन गर्ल हु इज वेरी यंग एका किशोरी भरतनाट्यम प्रस्तौति तया सह डैश देविका अस्ति नृत्यद प्लस नीप अगेन एकवचनम ओनली बिकॉज देविका इज एकवचनम सो नृत्यन्ति. Here neep also should be added because it's talking about dancing devika. So nrityanti, half na also will come. Nrityanti devika. Manje dash sudha asti. Gayat plus neep. Again it is talking about singing sudha. So gayanti sudha. Manoharin plus neep esha natya prastutihi. Manoharin. Na will become na and it will become Manoharini. Manoharini Esha Natya Prastutihi. Open the class 10 Sanskrit Manika Part 2 course in our channel by clicking on courses. Remember, each lesson is connected, so don't skip the sequence. Spend a few minutes every day and Sanskrit grammar will become easy and natural for you. I will meet you in the next class. Let's continue learning step by step.